So finding that perfect Christmas gift, these things, that's always challenging. But sometimes the better option is to either make something or just take something and restore it and make it even better. That's what I'm going to do. So when Rebecca started college, I dropped her off at the dorm and I was like, okay, her desk, well, actually, it's a desk that's been in our family for a very long time. It's like worn out, needs to be restored. I'm like, I'll make this as a late birthday gift. I didn't know it would take me 4 months to restore it. I'm picking this up. This is an antique in the family. I'm going to try clean this up and fix it up. I don't know here. It's going to be interesting. Now at this point, I didn't know this was going to be a Christmas gift. I still thought, I'd get it done in a couple of days. But as I was sanding and getting everything prepped, I decided I was going to paint it. Now it looks good black, but I'm going to do another color because this is her favorite color that I'm going to use this time, and I'm going to distress it to show the black through as it gets sanded down, making it look like it's antique, because it already is antique. Well, it's looking good, and I'm like in the process of fixing to start sanding it down, distressing it. But me and the wife and some family went to a bean fest, and we saw something that kind of added to my plans a little bit. Whoa, 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 right there. Back up, back up. You missed it. She saw it and she said, I love that frame, that idea on the wall. I want one of those. So I'm out here working on this project, painting it. It's Rebecca's present, but I want to work on Tammy's present because she, you know, if I was trying to sneak in here just to do that project, she might be like, what are you doing out there? She knows I'm out here painting this. So I'm fixing to do that real quick and then hide it. So guys, I've got the first coat of lacquer on Rebecca's. It's got to wait 2 hours to dry, and I've also now assembled the frame for Tammy. Now I've got to do and find the stick, the limb that I'm going to use for it. That's what I'm looking around for now. So I found this branch and then this little piece of a branch that I'm going to stick up here, and I think that'll do it. What's going on?
I just said that this is her gift, or I think it's her gift.
You think it's my gift?
Yeah.
It's not like I didn't already know about it because it went missing. All of a sudden I walked in my room and it looked a little emptier and I was like, what happened?
What'd you get?
$100 bill.
Oh!
Oh, that's on picture. You got big. How much money? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
I think she got $100 and 20s.
The North Pole.
Oh, it's from the North Pole. It says it's a snowball fight. Let me see your shirt.
Never underestimate a girl with drones.
Ooh!
You're on the naughty list, Sean.
Lydia,
You don't
stop.
What are you talking about?
Mother has even been trying to get you to stop.
Oh, you can build a dinosaur. You got more money. Oh!
Nathan,
Oh, you finally got a present.
But it was for Christmas. Oh, that's this game was for Christmas for me.
Nathan.
There you go.
Who told you I would want to do that? The wood burning stuff.
Right before your birthday.
And I bet she just wrote down her notes.
What is it? A chicken game? Oh my goodness.
I thought mother.
Here you go, Mama Tammy.
Open it up, dude. Oh my gosh, just what I wanted.
I knew it was gonna be
Ant farm. You better make sure the ants don't get loose.
3x30.
3x3 Rubik's Cube.
Not Rubik's Cube.
You got some chocolate covered cherries.
Take them back to the store because somebody done open them and tape them shut. They gonna be
Oh no. Here's Dylan.
thank you, baby. No treats.
Oh, it's look, you'll give them to him. What'd you get?
Yeah, remote controlled Sonic and Sonic Frontier.
What? There was another gift in there?
Underneath.
What you got? Oh, it's a basketball game thing. Let me see.
It's so, I love it.
What'd you get?
Well, I'm trying to get it out. I can't. Ooh, is this?
That's a tuning.
I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that.
What is it? Give me one of them. Oh. Well, let's see. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Now you can hang that on your wall. You like it? So as gifts were disappearing, all of a sudden Rebecca saw the edge of the disc and saw its color.
I'm sorry, but I saw the color out of the side. Oh my god.
I was trying to wait just a few more minutes, but she jumped the gun and she got all excited.
It's so pretty. It's so much better than it used to be. That's so cool. I didn't know what it was gonna look like.
There's your old desk.
I know, but it looks so much better now.
Now be careful, don't get paint all over it when you're doing crafts. This is from Santa. It's a chess and checkers.
Is that for you?
Yes.
Hey, means me and you can do more matches again.
Let's see what we got from Rebecca. I was just saying the other day.
Oh my goodness.
And look,
Food.
I was just saying.
Hey, I already knew this beforehand, so I told her it was perfect.
Crackers and this.
Oh, let's see what else we got here.
I love the baseball piece.
Did you see it?
Yeah, thank you.
What is this? Look at that.
Columbia.
I believe you said you wanted
I did.
a month ago. I've heard chocolate caramel, but ooh, that smells good. I know what we're talking about. I know he was
This
put it
is
in my
for
room.
me.
That smells so good.
From Santa Claus.
And Santa Claus. Oh, wow.
Well said. Looks like a shaving kit. Look at mine. I like that a lot.
Hey, if you want to learn every instrument, you're gonna have to find every
She
instrument.
knows what to do. Espresso.
Yes.
This gotta be. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
More coffee.
More espresso.
That's for sure.
What it is.
Oh, how pretty.
If you opened it,
Look at my bag. Give me something from Santa Claus.
It's a very weird box.
God is my fortress. The Lord is my rock, my fortress, my deliverer. My God is my rock, in whom I take refuge. I like her. There's you an espresso maker for your espresso.
Don't have me so hopped up on coffee.
We only have 2 more gifts. This next gift, well, it's based on the fact she had so much fun at the Fall Fest making cotton candy. And it starts,
Come on.
it slings it out.
There's no way not to make a mess. Cotton candy maker?
Yes.
That's cool.
Well, now it's time for me to go out and get Tammy's gift and bring it to her. The big frame that I built her.
Did you make it?
I made it.
Did you really?
I made it.
Yeah, I watched him.
Did you really be showing me that?
I remember when we saw it.
It's so pretty. I love it because you made it. Thank you.
Well, this Christmas was another success. It's always successful when you're with those you love the most. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you as well. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Till next time, God bless.